Give it to her, Maggie. Do you like that dolly Nanny Robin sent you?
I'm looking at my first.
You like her bow, huh? She's so happy. She likes her baby doll.
Don't look at me, I'm naked.
Hey, you're not naked. Oh, she's giving kisses.
Aww. Kissy wissy. Hi.
Licking it.
Poor baby.
Oh, the bow. We like the bow. Oh, she wants it. Oh, you're so cute.
Does she have to go pee or something?
Is that your baby doll, Ella?
The baby's not doing anything.
She will. Ella's grabbing her. She's kissing her. Kisses.
You like the kisses?
Oh.
Let's go. Come on, let's get the doll.
Tanton, let her do it, honey. Oh.
Yeah, ba ba. There you go.
Let her have it, baby.
Ella, have you decided a name? What are you going to call it?
Mom.
Yeah, ba ba ba.
She's making out with a doll. Yeah, she's just up by herself. Oh, she's hugging the baby.
Ah, ba ba ba.
A poor doll.
Oh, the poor doll.
Should we send this to Nani and Papa in Alaska?
Yeah.
Say hi, boys.
Hi. Love you. Peace.
Davin, what happened to your eye?
Kitten threw the swing at me.
Yeah, but you didn't cry because you're tough, huh?
Yeah, he did.
Still kissing the doll. I love that bow. Does she have a bow because you wear bows, Elle? You just don't have one right now.
I'm wearing this first.
Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye.